Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, today I want to show you one chart which will certainly change your opinion on Bitcoin, especially if you are a bear right now. I want to be talking about what this chart here means for Bitcoin, not only in the immediate short term, but also for the remainder of this year and 2021. I want to be talking about one specific mind-blowing price prediction, but also I will be talking about the immediate short term of Bitcoin, because as you can see, Bitcoin got yesterday the breakout. Yesterday I told you the breakout is imminent within today, and yesterday we got the breakout, and plus we also got a breakout confirmation. I was talking about this specific price target, and Bitcoin is already very close to it. What would I be doing right now on Bitcoin? What is my next trade for Bitcoin? What are my expectations for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? If you're subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel, you saw here yesterday I was posting, wow, Bitcoin just performed a beautiful breakout confirmation at $17,400. I was quoting the price target of $18,240. As you can see at 17,400, we got follow through and Bitcoin went higher, very close to the price target I was actually predicting yesterday. I will be talking about all my expectations about my trades here over on Bybit, $180,000 in the profit. My trade over on Femex, $43,000 and $76,000 already taken. And of course my long-term trade here at $194,000 in a profit already. What is my next trade on Bitcoin? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. Also remember, in the pinned comment down below, I have a special offer. If you are standing on the sidelines, or if you want some additional free bonus here for your next trade on Bitcoin, in the pinned comment down below, on Bybit and Femex, two exchanges I am personally trading on myself, you can get a $1,290 bonus for our community in the pinned comment down below. But guys, very important, this is only for experienced traders. So with that being said, guys, watch this video until the very end to get all my price predictions and my expectations for Bitcoin right now. Also sit down, scroll down, and also smash up the like button towards a new all-time high. All our videos are recently getting like 50,000 views on average. This is unseen and unmatched in crypto, and this is only because you are the craziest community in the world. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for pressing the subscription button, pressing the bell, and also pressing on all to get all notifications in the moment I am publishing my next time-sensitive video. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin broke out here. What I was saying yesterday is that Bitcoin is bouncing between support and resistance of the symmetrical triangle. And I was saying that the breakout is imminent within this day. And yesterday, we got the breakout. Bitcoin confirmed the breakout, and it is going higher. Statistically, the higher likelihood would have been to break out towards the downside. But as you know, Bitcoin loves to surprise us, and these are surprises I love to take. And remember guys, in yesterday's video, I was talking about both scenarios, about the breakout and the breakdown. And this is why we are so strong in the MMCrypto community, because we can trade upon the breakout here. And what I was telling you is we need the confirmation of the breakout. And in absolute real time, I was posting here this prediction on Twitter. Wow, Bitcoin just performed a beautiful breakout confirmation. And in the moment, I would be personally trading it after the breakout confirmation and the bounce here at $17,400. I was posting this specific chart here, and I was telling you this is a beautiful breakout confirmation. I was telling you if we get follow through on this pump, this could lead us to $18,240. Going back to the chart, look at this. We got the follow through, and the Bitcoin went higher, and we went very close here to my price target of $18,200. In fact, only $40 away. And I'm always telling you, I would be always starting to take a profits here below our price target, because I know that the ways are watching our videos. If you took this trade, congratulations to you, and this is already good enough to start scaling out of your trade, at least taking your initial investment out. I really think it's beautiful. I mean, if I'm just going back here into this specific chart, let me go to the 4-hourly candles. You can see this whole chart here is a big track record of success of our MMCrypto community, because you can see all of these patterns we successfully traded, and this is yet another one where you could have put in a very successful trade here, but remember, only after the confirmation. I didn't trade it, but if I would have traded it, I would have traded here after the bounce. And of course, this is still an amazing entry position, as you can see. But the most important question right now is, of course, is this only a dead cat bounce before Bitcoin is going to stair step lower here in favor of the bulls? Or is this the bar pattern trend reversal we are all waiting for, and Bitcoin is going to knock out the previous highs at 19,400 US dollars? This is what I want to be talking about right now, because guys, I can tell you this here was a lower low for Bitcoin, and this is a downtrend, and we still don't have a higher low, a higher high for Bitcoin. On the daily, I want to see a close above the 19,400 US dollar levels to tell we are switching back into a bull mode. I was telling you throughout this whole time, I remain bullish as long as Bitcoin is forming higher lows for Bitcoin, and we did always form higher lows for Bitcoin. This is the first time we are forming a lower low for Bitcoin. So I want Bitcoin not only to knock out our price target here, but also to knock out the previous high at 19,400 US dollars, where I was personally taking profits. Of course, I want to be talking about what would be my price target in case we would be knocking it out here. But I also want to put out a warning, guys. In case we are not knocking it out, we are still here in a micro downtrend. I mean, I am bullish here for Bitcoin. I think that bullish Bitcoin is maybe even in December going to higher highs. But I'm telling you, this here is a section where Bitcoin might take a big amount of money from many people here speculating on a significant bounce towards new all-time highs. And I want to tell you, as long as we are not invalidating this micro bear trend, I would be very cautious here. With that being said, I want to go over here and I want to tell you what would be my new price target as in case Bitcoin knocks out the previous high, because sooner or later we are going to knock it out. You already know my bearish price targets I mentioned earlier. This is among the 15,800 US dollar levels in case we would be stair stepping down here a little bit more, but ultimately here at the 13,500 US dollar price targets, and I am personally not expecting price targets below that, if even we are going that low. So you know these price targets from yesterday's video, from the video before, but I want to talk about what would be my next price target here, since we are bullish on Bitcoin, right, in the midterm, in the long run, in case Bitcoin would be knocking out the previous highs. And after that, I want to go into the specific chart, which will change your opinion on Bitcoin certainly. And here I want to pull out this measured move price high, this Fibonacci extension price prediction tool here. And as you can see here, this one was perfectly already predicting the 19,400 US dollar high, where I was actually personally taking profits, since this was the golden ratio, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And the next price target here, and this is in my opinion a very reasonable one once we would be knocking that out here, would be the 20,300-750 US dollar level. So 20,300-750, I would be taking profits below that price target once again, and I would be opening a breakout trade only guys, with a close above the previous high. So this would be my next price target. But please guys, be prepared for Bitcoin here in this brutal section here to take a little bit of more money from a little bit of more people. And this was the reason why I was taking more than half of the money out of my trades. I will be talking about my trades here later on also, but the most important thing I would be talking about here is this specific chart here, and this is the monthly chart on the BLX, and the horizontal lines here are right now showing you whenever we were breaking the previous all-time high. And the question is, why am I here on the monthly candles? Because in my opinion, when it comes to the all-time high, when it comes to the last cycle, to the last short period of time where Bitcoin is actually going completely vertical, for this only and only the monthly candles are important for me here. You know guys, I mean, we are sophisticated people here at MMCrypto. We are not rushing into anything here. And for me to confirm now, I mean guys, you remember I was bullish since 7,000, since 6,000 US dollars. We were opening so many trades towards the upside. Now at the all-time high, I am getting cautious at least a little bit. I mean, is that all too bad here, at least when it comes to the trading portfolio? I don't think so. And I want to tell you here, breaking the all-time high, we have to look at the monthly candles, because only with a monthly close above the previous all-time high, we are able to confirm that we are going towards a new all-time high here within the next 6 to 12 months. You can see this happened over here. This looks like not very mind-blowing here in April 2017, but only with the monthly close above, we were actually starting to go vertical. And I want to shed a little bit more light on that. If I were to go to the 3-day candles, you can see here in the previous cycle, I'm going into the same cycle again. And this is why I was actually quoting that at $19,400 we have to be very cautious. The Bitcoin price was approaching here the all-time high, the previous all-time high at $1,200. We got a massive rejection, and then we went above, but we got another rejection. So on the 3-day candles, a close above was not enough. On the weekly candles, a close above was not enough as well. If I were to go over here, you can see it. A close on the weekly candles was also not enough. Only, not even on the 2 weekly candles, only on the monthly candles. Once we are closing above this specific level, above the previous all-time high, this is the moment that we are finally going higher. And this is also the moment, once this close occurs, that we can say with a high degree of certainty, we are not going to see any time in the future these price levels again, because in the moment the Bitcoin price, the monthly candle closed above the previous all-time high, we knew we will never ever see prices below the previous all-time high again, and we never saw them again. With this close here above, you knew we will never see prices below the previous all-time high at $1,290 again. And I am telling you, once we are getting, and I am hoping here for a December, November is a little bit unlikely, for a December close above the previous all-time high. Once we are closing a month below, above the previous all-time high, I can tell you with a high degree of certainty, we will never see prices not only below 10,000 again, but also below 19,700 again, ever. In my opinion here, this is my last confirmation. This is what will change the mind of the last Bitcoin bear. Certainly, once we are going above that, and I can tell you guys, I am expecting. Let me diminish that here. I am expecting personally a price increase of the all-time high towards a new all-time high of at least 800%. I want to show you this here. We had 3,800% here in 2013 to 2014 to a new all-time high of $1,200. Then once we had a monthly close above the previous all-time high here in 2017, we went above $1,500 to $1,600. And as you can see, we knocked it out. We formed a new all-time high, and the same thing I think is going to happen again. And without money printing, I am expecting here, at least without money printing, a price target of 800%, approximately below the $200,000 price levels. And then you have to factor in that we have money printing, that we have 84 central banks in the world printing currency 24/7, inflating actually the currency supply and taking the purchasing power out of your hands and putting them into the hands of the upper classes, of their friends here at the big corporations, where they're actually printing the money and giving it towards. So $200,000, my least price target here. And you can see here with this Bitcoin pump, Bitcoin is getting closer and closer right now here to our specific price target. And of course the question remains, are we going to get follow through? Well guys, you can see that there is some traffic coming in here on the VPVR, on the hourly, but of course remember, above this yellow line, there is no volume traded. I mean, I'm talking about zero, because we never saw these price targets. So breaking this and then closing a monthly above this will completely change the whole game for Bitcoin. And this is also part of the chart I actually wanted to show you here. Here we want to go back into the daily candles. I want to auto scale this and go back into the previous cycle, because as you remember, in the moment, and I want to pull out the VPVR, we were breaking above the previous all-time high. Look at this. There was no volume traded, and in this moment Bitcoin went completely vertical. We never saw the previous price targets again. The moment Bitcoin breaks the previous all-time high and closes a monthly above, I mean, this is completely game over for all Bitcoin bears here. Of course, before we are seeing some chopping around, we are seeing some weak hands being shaken out, some retail money prematurely going into Bitcoin and having some very weak hands to be shaken out. But the moment we are breaking it, this is game over for all the Bitcoin bears. And the same thing happened obviously also right here once we broke the previous all-time high. And the reason for that being is the VPVR, because once we are breaking the previous all-time high, there is no one who bought Bitcoin at a cheaper price. There is no one getting break even, creating some selling pressure. So this is the moment I'm waiting for. This rejection is something we predicted here, and I think unless we are not breaking the previous all-time high, we will see some people shaken out here. We will see some bloody price action. We will see some pain here, even though the Bitcoin price is going higher at the moment of recording. And of course, I want to be going over into my trades as promised, because as you can see, my trade over on Bybit, it went above $100,000 in profit once again. As remember, I already took nearly 6 Bitcoin in profits, so this would be a $200,000 profit trade. But I told you, I want to be scaling out as Bitcoin goes higher, since this is a trading portfolio and it is so valuable to take profits. Taking profits is never a mistake, and I was the last time taking profits here exactly at $19,400, certainly a very good decision. And I am not planning to take any profits here in the immediate short term. I will be taking profits, of course, on this trade here as the time passes, since this is a short-term trade. This here over on Phoenix is a long-term trade at $195,000 in profits. This is a long-term trade where I'm not going to take any profits, but on my short-term trade, this is, I mean, I nearly took all profits already, way more than half here, $76,000 in profit, 4.2 Bitcoin, and here $43,000. I am remaining in this trade. Once Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, I am going to take profits at the specific price target at $23,500, as I mentioned before. And of course, guys, if you are standing on the sidelines, if you want to put in your next trade, well, I just gave you this breakout price prediction yesterday already on Twitter and in the YouTube video. I will give you the next ones already. What you can be doing is scrolling down to the pinned comment down below, and here you find a $1,290 bonus. You can claim this bonus already and wait for your moment, wait for the next trade here. I am personally trading on Bybit, and I am also trading on Phoenix. You can trade the highest bonuses on Bybit and Phoenix here by clicking the Bybit and Phoenix link, and after matching the deposit requirements here, you get your $1,290 bonus completely for free for your next trade. And I want to tell you, this is only for experienced traders, and even if you are an experienced trader, a long-term holding portfolio is a difference to a trading portfolio. And these trades I am personally only doing with Bitcoin in my trading portfolio. My long-term holding portfolio will never be touched. This is in the pinned comment down below, the highest bonus on YouTube. Make sure you take advantage of that right now. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making noise here for the algorithm. I truly appreciate that. And all our videos, literally go to our channel, check it out. They are getting 50,000 views on average. This is completely unmatched in crypto space, and this is because you are unmatched in crypto space. You are supporting us like no other. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button every single time, leaving your thoughts in the comment section, and also sharing this video with your friends, because the backlinks you are creating with that, they are really rewarded by YouTube. YouTube loves when you are sharing our video. Thank you so much for that. Also, press the subscription button, press the bell, and also press here on all, because if you press on all, you get the notification from YouTube in the moment I am publishing a new video. And as you know, they are time sensitive. As you remember here also on Twitter, you should follow us. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.